Hey guys, this is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about something very quick. It is all about the AutoSum function for Excel. So to use this function, all we need to do is click on the cell on the bottom of the column that we want to tally up. So go ahead and click the C9 cell. Once we've done that, we can just press the AutoSum function located on the top right portion of Excel. Once we do that, this formula will show up. Just click on Enter and you will get the total for the money they made on Monday. To apply this to the other columns, just click on the box on the lower right part of the cell and drag it across the other cells. And there we have it. We got the total for each day in the week. To get the total amount of how much each individual made, just do the same thing. You can apply this approach for columns as well as for rows. So basically, we just have to press the AutoSum function again and click on Enter. We can just drag the lower right part of the cell down to the last person so we can get the amount they made. And there we have it. This is how you use the AutoSum function in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.